Mm. Man, I don't know. It's not as crispy as I usually like it, man. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna throw this pork belly in the air fryer, and we'll see the magic that happens. Hey guys, Kong here, and I'm here today at Kumain Eats. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a Filipino spot in Champlin, Minnesota. It feels like a small mom and pop shop, and I wanted to check it out since I'm nearby. My first time eating Filipino food, aside from Jollibees, of course. That doesn't count, genuine mom and pop shop Filipino food. This is my first time trying something like that, so let's check it out. Alright guys, got the food. They're more designed right now for takeout, so I didn't stay in there. But let's take a look at the food. Oh, give me a business card. Here's this business card. Smells good, smells good. I got the lechon combo, or lechon, which is the Filipino pork with their garlic fried rice, lumpia, the pork lumpia, and their chicken skewers. The review, man. Are you guys ready? This spot's called Kuman, I think. Woo! Look at that. Look at that, man. Let me get some. Let me get some food shots in here, man. Got the lechon, chicken skewer, 2 small Filipino egg rolls, which is also pork. But yeah, this is how it looks like. Oh, thumbnail. Oh, alright. I think this for the lumpia, the sauce. I don't know what this other sauce is for. Let me just smell it. It's sweet too. Alright, let's just try the lumpia, man. Again, pork. Okay. It's cool. It tastes like every other egg roll, to be honest. It doesn't have glass noodles like Vietnamese or Chinese egg rolls, but it's still good. It has a nice porky flavor to it, a nice crisp on the outside. Again, I don't know what the sauce is. It's sweet, but it's not as sweet as the sweet and sour sauce. It's like an apple cider sauce. I prefer this sauce, the sweet and sour one. Egg roll, I'll give it a 2.5 out of 5. It's an average egg roll. The chicken skewer. Again, this is my first time, man. Okay. Let me get another bite of this. Okay. Get some garlic rice. Alright. Has a nice garlic aroma to it, but other than that, not much flavor. Which is fine, Rice is supposed to absorb flavors, so. Oh, what you eat it with, that is. Nice, just regular rice, just with a little small garlic aroma. Man, this chicken skewer, it's good. Don't get me wrong. It's good, just it tastes like backyard barbecue chicken skewers, right? Not a bad thing, it's good, but it's something home. It tastes cool. I'm tasting a lot of the char. Again, not a bad thing. But I think the sauce is sweet. sauce similar to teriyaki, but yeah, I don't know. It's decent. It's cool. Try it with the sauce. It's not bad, but honestly not anything amazing either. It doesn't taste like your usual backyard barbecue chicken skewer that you glaze with teriyaki sauce or whatnot, a sweet soy sauce. Here it is, lechon, Filipino crispy pork belly. Okay, eat some nice sauce. Okay. Okay. The skin, man, I don't know. It's not as crispy as I usually like it, man. I love like Southeast Asian style crispy pork belly, man. Hmong people, Lao people, Thai, even Mexican crispy pork belly is fire, man. I'm gonna dip it in the sauce. I think that's what it's for. Yeah. Skin isn't, unfortunately, not really that crispy. I'll be honest. The pork belly is still fire, though. Don't get me wrong about that. If you ever order pork belly where the skin isn't as crispy like this, go home and if you have an air fryer, throw that in the air fryer, man. I'll say like, it doesn't really matter, 350 to 400 as long as it's around like 4 minutes. Man, the air fryer will crisp this thing up, dude. Trust me. I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna throw this pork belly in the air fryer, and we'll see the magic that happens. All right, but as is, definitely has a mom and pop vibe to it, which I love. That pork belly and garlic rice together, I'd say it's a 3 out of 5. It's a 3 out of 5. The pork belly flavor is there, you know. Can never go wrong with pork belly. 3 out of 5. Champion, you guys. Got a Filipino mom and pop shop. Go check them out, man. Something different, something cool in the neighborhood. But yeah, I'm gonna head home. We're gonna throw those pork bellies in the air fryer and go from there. Sammy boy. Hi, my Sammy boy. Hi, Rini. Alright guys, I'm home. Let's put these pork belly in the air fryer. Trust me, it's gonna take you on another level. It's ended. Alright guys, it's looking way better in my opinion. Check that out. Y'all hear that? Alright guys, in the results, it's way more crispy. You can hear that now. I'm gonna scratch it too to the mic, and let's hear it. Yup. I don't know what sauce this is, but it's like a applesauce sauce. Now this pork belly, as I had it originally, and how the restaurant serves it, I get 3 out of 5, but this is like a 3.5 out of 5 now, right? Every time I bite, you'll hear it. Bam. But yep, every time you guys get pork belly where the skin is not crispy, throw it in the air fryer, man. That shit is good. Man, I crunch every time, man. The last bite. Check that skin out again, man. Alright guys, that's it. Again, my first time eating a genuine Filipino food from a genuine restaurant, aside from Jollibee's again. But yeah, if you like this, like my channel, comment down below your thoughts, like the video, subscribe to my channel. Peace.